A group of college students, seven of them boys and three of them girls from India, planned to take a trip in the icy regions of Himalaya. Trekking in the Himalayas are not new to them. They have already had three times. This is the fourth time they are attempting. Every year they are used to go along with a professional guide. Since they have made three successful trips, this time they have avoided the guide. This has proved fatal to all of them. They have planned a trip period of 7 days. As soon as they reached the foothills of Himalaya, one of them fell sick and he has to return to the college, and the balance proceeded as planned. After 2 days of travel, there was an icy storm and they have decided to put up a tent and all of them stayed inside. The team did not return even after 2 weeks. A search team was formed under the leadership of the guide and they went on search for them. The first observation was the tent was torn from inside instead of people coming out of the exit. No one was inside the tent and there was no evidence of anything unusual. Then the search team proceeded further. They found three bodies with only their inner wear. The remaining clothes were missing from that area. There was no idea why they shall remove their clothes. Did they die of extreme cold? There was few marks on the body. Some grey color liquid was found on all of them and some small marks of wound in the head. The face was showing extreme pain but there was no mark of injury in the body to justify the pain. The search team went further and found another four bodies. There was not much of violence in their bodies, only few bruises, but they found the branches of a nearby tree were broken. The broken pieces were lying around the area. Absolutely no idea who broke the branches and why. The group of people were wearing dresses but not of their own. How these dresses got exchanged? This is another unanswered question and mystery. The search team went further to search for the remaining team and they were also found. Here there was a mark of extreme violence. The chest bones were crushed, but such a force cannot be exerted by any human being. The force was equivalent to hitting by a car traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour in the icy area. Nothing can travel more than 10 km per hour. All the bodies were sent to postmortem. The person who could not join them wanted to find what has happened to them. He goes back once again to the Himalayas, but not to the exact location, but to Kedarnath. He worshipped Lord Shiva and was sitting outside the temple. Then a sannyasi, an agori, approaches him and tells him as to follow him. They both goes to the cave where he was staying. He asked the student, "Do you want to know what has happened to our friends?" And he starts explaining in complete details to him. This is eye struck.